Hello, boys and girls. My name's Sketchy. Let's start drawing something today. Let me show you my supplies. First, I got some blue pencils. And I have some black pencils. Little small pencils. And of course, I have soda pop. I have snacks. Delicious. Chocolate almonds and nuts. I just like saying nuts. And I have just normal paper. I have no idea what I'm going to draw, so let's just get started. I'm going to use a very, very light pencil and draw lightly. I'm just going to draw like a circle. You know, just a circle. I'm going to scribble something because I have no idea what I'm going to draw. See if it will inspire me. Wow. Right now it kind of looks like the big nose and the hat. Let's make it a fisherman with a big nose. Check out that nose. There's a hat here. I'm drawing very loosely and I'm almost scribbling. Let's make an eye line here. And he's gonna be a happy fisherman with a great big nose. Great big nose here. I'm gonna give him a chin. Let's make this hat kind of cover his eyes. That'd be fun. Great big bill covering his eyes. Check out the side of that nose. It's gotta have like a little bump on it or something. There, a little bump on it. And then I'm gonna make a cheek here. There's an upper lip. And let's make. Do I want to make him? Kind of want to make him have a. Just make him have a great big chin too. Great big chin that's sticking out. Like this. Wait a second. This looks like a witch. Okay. Change of plan. We're making a witch. With a little bit of hair on the end of that chin. And if she's a witch, she can have a lower lip here. She's a laughing witch. A witch. She can have one tooth. Like that. Perfect. See, when you sketch really lightly like this, it doesn't matter. We're going to tighten up later. So, let's turn this into a pointy hat. Just make it big. This can be now a buckle. I don't know why witches wear buckles on their hats, but whatever. Wait a second. I don't see her eyes. Let's see if we can find her eyes in there. I think there's an eye. That doesn't look right. Oh yeah, there's some hair. Oh, I want a bigger hat. There we go. Oh, that's lovely. Time for a snack. Chocolate covered almonds. That's pretty fast. Okay, and now let's kind of lock it down a little bit. Add some detail with our dark pencil. Black pencil. Here we go. And I'm using a side so we can have some thick and thin. Ooh, that's gross right there. Ugh. I liked it. I'm going to go ahead and darken all that in, the shadow. Shade it in a little bit. I'm using my whole arm. I'm not trying to use my wrist. Lock your wrist in and use your shoulder. Oh, that's nice. Now a lower lip. Other side of the face. I'm gonna drop just a little bit of that eye. Oh, let's just shade it all in. Can't see your eyes. Makes it a little more mysterious. When you draw, does your tongue ever wag like this? Mine sure does, all the time. I can't stop it. There we go, pointy hat. Let's shade that in. Lighter up there, darker down here. Darker here, lighter there, and blocking this hair. You gotta think hair is a shape too. Now that is one ugly witch with a great big nose. And it all started with a crazy sketch.